goddamn ghost cats here. He took my. Okay, now they're gonna properly do some shooting with some decent targets, both in the prone position and standing or sitting. We'll check it out.
Should we do, like, how many shots should we get each before we do our score?
10. I'd say.
Well,
5?
whatever.
I'd say. What do you want?
Well, I don't care.
I said
How
10.
many?
I'd say 10.
10?
It's like,
You're on.
I didn't even shoot anything. Look.
Mine didn't get it.
It's not shooting. Mine's not shooting.
You got a load of BB up there.
I did.
2.
I didn't get anything that time. That was my first one.
Hey, Car,
What?
why don't you put your feet down? Just in case the pet camera wants to zoom in or try to focus in on your damn toes instead of target.
Why is it not shooting?
Right.
I won't shoot. Did I get anything?
See it up like by the crease.
No. That was 2. 4. Why is this not shooting?
You're not loading it.
All the way out.
You gotta lean it forward all the way.
I know.
There you go.
25. 25. I got my first one with 25.
No, isn't that your third?
Yes, but that's the first one that I actually scored.
I've been like 5.
This band-aid looks so weird in your glasses.
6.
Carly got 350 and I got 375. Good job, Carly. You won. we go. Keep turning my safety on and off. There's a little piece of grass on the edge of my thing right there. See it? See it on the end of my gun? Four. That one I just shot, it was right between 50 and 100. The one I just shot, it was right. The one I just shot, the 6-1, it's right in the middle of between 50 and 100. Look. So what should I count it as?
Why doesn't it feel Hey, oh, that was good.
That was 7. See, look, I told you. Look at it. Look at it, I told you. So what should I count it as?
His is right on the line between 50 and 100. What should he count as?
Whatever.
I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Dang it. Harley wins. So you got 550 plus 775.
Recording. 10 shot.
Freaking coming out.
I keep seeing mine come out, but I can't tell where they're hitting.
Oh, wait, I saw that one. Mine keep like hitting the. You can see them come out the other end sometimes. Oh, really?
One of them.
There it goes again.
Ah, that didn't come out.
Dad, you should get a video of it crashing through the dirt, going through the dirt on slow motion. Hey, look. Mine is starting to come back in the sunlight. Of course, nothing comes out.
Oh, my back hurts.
You know, we just...
Again, what?
Oh my God. Remember, kids, don't shoot a gun. There's somebody in front of you. Make sure you have permission. And be very careful. Don't shoot in a public place.
I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Go high five.
I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
You got a 45 Magnum, an AK, 12 gauge, and a BB gun all lined up on a picnic table
On a picnic table.
on 4th of July weekend.
On 4th of July weekend.
What do you think's the most dangerous weapon is?
Oh, the BB gun for sure.
Yeah? Why is that?
Because I've been shot by one.
You're an asshole. No, really.
Wait,
Can
what-
you, Mr. Cub Scout,
what
tell
were
me
the-
what the most
what were
dangerous weapon is out of those four?
What were the weapons again? Other than BB gun and AK-47? Or whatever you said?
I don't think it was AK.
I don't remember the handgun, either a Magnum or a...
Magnum. You said Magnum.
All right. What's the most dangerous? An AK, the Magnum, 12 gauge, or a BB gun?
12 gauge?
Oh, for freak's sakes.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is the BB gun. Yes.
Woo!
Although it's not the most high powerful weapon, but it is the most dangerous weapon because frickin' kids like this don't give a shit and they're just gonna point it wherever and
I've
fire it
gotten
off,
shot by a
alright?
BB gun before.
Oh, me too.
Alright? So it's dangerous. They can do some damage if you're not protected. You
Yep.
gotta have the goggles. Okay? I'm standing here without any goggles because I'm not,
Yeah, nice.
you know, because I don't care. Whatever, I don't care. And, you know, point down range, whatever. We're most complacent when we're using a BB gun because we just think it's not dangerous. But guess what? It is. Okay? It can do damage if you're not well trained with them. Alright? Treat them with respect or don't play with them.
Absolutely.
Not even shooting at the targets right now. I'm just firing
I need to fire up the grill now. Goodbye.